When we hear the word pollution, many of us think only of smoke from cars or plastic bottles floating in the sea. But the truth is that pollution is far more complex and its scale is much bigger than most people even realize. Let's clear some of the common and most known misconceptions. The first misconception is pollution is just about visible dirt. The reality is pollution that is much around us is invisible. Carbon emissions, toxic gases and microplastics cannot always be seen. Yet they silently harm our air, our water and even our food. Breathing polluted air shortens lives. Drinking contaminated water spreads diseases long before we notice it. Misconceptions number 2. Pollution is only a local problem. In fact, pollution knows no borders. The pollution and smoke raised and released in one country can travel across continents. Plastic dumped into one river can end into oceans thousands of kilometers away. What may start small becomes a global issue, showing that no community is truly isolated from its effects. Misconception number 3. Nature will always fix itself. While Earth does have self-healing systems, the pace of human population and its pollution is overwhelming those natural processes. Forests, oceans and soils cannot absorb waste as quickly as we are producing it. This imbalance has led to extreme air quality issue, risking and releasing and rising health risks and ecosystems collapsing. Now let's look at the reality of the scale. Each year the world produces over 2 billion tons of waste. Millions of tons of plastic end up in our oceans where they break into microplastics that even fish and birds consume. Air pollution is now considered one of the most leading causes of premature death, affecting millions of people across worldwide. And water pollution threatens the very resources humans depend on surviving. But here's the important part. Solutions do exist. Reducing single-use plastics, moving towards renewable energy, planting trees and protecting green spaces and educating communities on waste management. Pollution is not just about what we see on the streets. It's about the system we live in, the choices we make and the responsibilities we carry. If we break the misconceptions and understand the true scale of pollution, then we can take meaningful steps to reduce it. Let's not think of pollution as somebody else's problem or tomorrow's challenge. It is our shared reality today, and only we together can make and change it.